Welcome to your safe space. I'm Pallavi, and today we're going to practice a short chair yoga routine, which is going to undo everything that sitting for long hours does to your body, whether it is tight neck, rounded shoulders, stiff lower back, or a sluggish brain. And we'll finish with a breathing exercise that's going to help you improve focus before you get back to work. You don't even need a mat for this. You can do it right at your chair, and it's just going to take 10 minutes. So let's get to it. Sit upright. We're going to start with some shoulder shrugs. So as you inhale, lift your shoulders up, bring them close to the ears. And as you exhale, allow them to relax. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale, lift up, squeeze. Notice where are you feeling squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Exhale down. Last time, inhale up. Notice where are you feeling the tension and exhale, release. Extend your arms out and we're going to just rotate the arms in and out. Observe the movement coming right from the shoulder joint. 2 more times. And release. Take a breath. Exhale. Now interlock your fingers and we're going to make infinity shapes with our hands. This is excellent for those who spend long time on their keyboards. Change the direction of these circles. Instead of going too fast, make these mindful and release. Next, working on the neck. These are called as chin tucks. Inhale, you bring your head forward. Exhale, you tuck your chin in. Inhale, exhale. The hand is just for you to understand this movement. Once you get the movement, you can take the hand off. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Relax, take a breath. Sitting comfortably in your chair, you can hold the edge of your chair. Inhale, arm goes up. Exhale, we pulse it. 1, 2, 3. Notice the stretch in the side body and around the lower back. And 5. Let's hold this. Reaching up with your fingertips. Gazing forward. For the last 3 counts, let's look down. And center. Let's do the other side. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, pulse. And hold, reaching up. And looking down for the last 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. And release. Taking your hands behind your head. Inhale, open the chest, look up. Exhale, round the spine, looking down at your belly button. Inhale, open the chest, gaze up. Exhale, round. Shoulder blades separate. Inhale and exhale. Center. Next, we are going to sit at the center of our chair and placing the right ankle on top of the left thigh, creating this figure 4 shape. First step is just to apply gentle pressure and bring the thigh down, spine tall. If there is a lot of tightness in the hip, this might be enough for you. If you'd like to go a little deeper, you'll start leaning forward. You will notice the stretch in the outer hip increases, and find a sweet spot where you feel a gentle stretch without making it painful. 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Let's do the same thing with the other leg. So option 1, just applying gentle pressure, sitting upright or leaning forward. This side might feel tighter. Last 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come up. Sit with your legs wider. and lift your heels up and down. We'll do this 10 times. And now hold either with feet grounded or heels up, and we're going to add an eagle bind. If you're not able to bind fully, you can also just touch the backs of your hands. Open, and this time left arm goes on top. Full eagle bind, or the backs of your hands touching. Feel the stretch around the shoulder blades. Release, and heels can come back down. Now hold your thighs, and we are just going to twist, looking over the right shoulder as you exhale. Inhale center, exhale, looking over the left shoulder. And release. Now sit comfortably. As promised, the last breathing exercise to help you feel focused. Fold the index and the middle finger close to the base of your thumb. Breathe out through both nostrils. Gently close the right nostril with the thumb and start inhaling through the left. Close the left with the ring finger. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. And exhale through left. Inhale through left. And keep going. Stay present with your breath. After the next exhalation through the left nostril, release the right hand down. Take a deep breath in. Exhale through the mouth. I hope you're feeling taller, lighter, and ready to go back to work. Have a great rest of the workday. Namaste.